you understand that just because we're loud, just because we laugh with our entire body, does not mean we're aggressive. You know?
Can you say that again? Can you say that one more time?
One more time for the folks that wasn't listening. Just because we're a little louder than average and we laugh with our entire body. You know, I was talking to Sonia earlier and she was dying laughing. I said, look, when we be laughing and like, when we say I'm dead, we them people that actually fall out on the floor and be dead. Like, you know what I'm saying? And white people be freaking out like, is he okay? He's fine. Like,
He's just dead.
He just dead. He'll get up in a couple minutes. He all right. You know, we had one white guy at our church. He was like, why do you guys run when you laugh? Because it's funny. Like, I need to do a lap. When stuff is funny, I need to run.
I'm a runner.
You know what I'm saying? Like, we do stuff. And then when white people who come from different cultures that don't know anything about that, it's scary. It's aggressive. You know, I've had friends and they'll come into the church where we're dealing with youth or we'll be out doing something and they'll be like, you know, oh my God, they're getting loud or they about to fight or, you know, and I look around the corner like, no, they ain't about to fight. They talking. Like, they talking about a movie they saw last night. Like, he don't agree that the movie was good and she loved it and he telling her that she crazy and they a little loud. They, you know, he doing this. That's just how we talk. Like, that's not a reason to call the police. You know what I'm saying? And then same thing with, there's a lot of police officers that live in one area and they come police another. And they see volume is known as aggression in one place. So if you're over, you know, on a scale of 1 to 10, if you had a 3, that's normal. Well, if you come to my side of town, a 3 is whispering. You know what I'm saying? Like, 3 means I don't want nobody else to know this. We talk average 6, 7. We're not mad. We're not angry. I'm not even being aggressive right now. This is just my normal tone of voice. And people have been like, you know, Pastor Jay, you're really loud. I'm not even being loud right now. This is literally my normal talking tone.
But he is loud.